Beelink SEi13 Pro, compact, powerful, and ready for anything. Beelink has officially launched the SEi13 Pro, a high-performance mini PC that brings serious computing power to an incredibly compact form factor. At a competitive launch price of $539, this small system offers big performance, ideal for professionals, creatives, and everyday users who need something fast and efficient without taking up much space. At the core of the SEi13 Pro is the Intel Core i9-13900HK, a powerful 14-core processor. This CPU is a significant upgrade from the previous generation's Core i7-12600P, offering around a 5.4% uplift in performance according to synthetic benchmarks. While that may seem modest on paper, it translates into noticeably smoother multitasking and improved responsiveness for heavier workloads like video editing, development, and virtual machines. The SEi13 Pro is equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR5 dual-channel memory, making it a multitasking powerhouse right out of the box. Whether you're juggling multiple browser tabs, editing large files, or streaming content, this system won't slow down. Additionally, it supports up to 8 TB of PCIe 4.0 SSD storage, giving users flexibility to expand as needed. For example, high-performance SSDs like the Samsung 990 Pro are compatible, offering lightning-fast speeds ideal for professionals. One unique feature that sets the SEi13 Pro apart is its built-in speaker system. Most mini PCs omit speakers entirely, expecting users to rely on external audio devices. Beelink takes a different approach here by including dual integrated speakers, which deliver what the company calls full-bodied sound. While it won't replace a dedicated sound system, it's perfectly suited for small workspaces or portable setups. It even includes a built-in microphone, perfect for calls, voice control, or conferencing. Now, while the SEi13 Pro lacks USB4 and OCuLink, meaning external GPU support is limited, it still includes a respectable array of ports: 2x USB-C 10 GBPs, 3x USB 3.2 Gen to Type A, 1x USB 2.0 Type A to by 3.5mm audio jacks, 1x HDMI, 1x DisplayPort 1.4, 1x 2.5G Ethernet port. Wireless connectivity is also on point with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, providing fast, stable connections whether you're syncing files, connecting peripherals, or streaming media. Another key feature is Beelink's SE2.0 cooling system, designed to keep the unit cool while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Even under load, the SEi13 Pro remains unobtrusive, a big plus for quiet office setups, bedrooms, or studios. With a sleek, minimalist design and dimensions that let it fit easily on a small desk or shelf, the SEi13 Pro delivers high-end functionality in a small footprint. It's perfect for users who need strong performance but don't want the clutter of a large desktop tower.